Hey CoffeeScript.
Oh hello TypeScript.
I am known as the high-level programming language.
I am known as the lightweight programming language.
Developed and maintained by Microsoft, under Apache license.
Developed and maintained by developer community itself, under MIT license.
Superset of JavaScript.
Enhanced version of JavaScript.
Can run on any browser and displays dynamic content.
Requires a JavaScript engine to run the code.
Used in both server and client-side web application.
Used for server-side application only.
Supports almost all browsers.
Depends on specific functionality. So guys, please like and share the video.
Also subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates.